Hello, today I'm going to show you this unique smartwatch which is made from hard stainless steel. This smartwatch can not only measure your heart rate but also be useful as a self-defense tool in extreme situations. On the package you can see main features of the watch, which is 1.55-inch display which uses Gorilla Glass 3, heart rate monitoring, 300 mAh battery and other useful features. In the package, you can find the watch itself, user guide, and a magnetic USB charging cable. Watch is fully made out of the solid metal, looks good, harness has double lock, and it's very easy to change at length without special tools. Application is available on iOS and Android phones. In this application, you can check various historical data such as heart rate, sleep quality, and other parameters. W11 Smart Watch has a training mode, flashlight, messages, and any other functions that are common to smartwatches. As a professional smart sports watch, W11 has included the most essential 3 tracking features: blood pressure, heart rate, and SpO2. Additionally, it is also water resistant, and after the training, you can simply wash it with water. This watch will be a great addition to people who enjoy active sports, and also for more lazy guys who like to enjoy what life brings but want to be informed about all the live notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it under this video, but now, together with the background music, let's enjoy the full unboxing and a setup of this perfect watch.